are going to love the 2019 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, heated front seats, electronic stability control, power windows, compass, trip computer, security system, rear window defroster, overhead console, tachometer, panic alarm, brake assist, remote keyless entry. Come take a test drive today.